Mohit here. So today I'm just going to put my view on the one recently listed company, Burger King. Okay. So what I realize here, it shows some action after listing, but that action is not that much sustainable. Yes, that action is not that much sustainable. So lots of people may don't have positions. They may be thinking what is going to happen. So today I'm just putting briefly about my own personal opinion, basically my personal view, what I am looking and how I am interpreting. See, tr- doing a trading, it's all about the view building. So today maybe I'm negative, day after tomorrow I maybe have the positive view, because as a trader you should have that flexibility or the agility to switch your stance, because I'm not here to command market, I'm not here to command stock, I'm here to follow the action behind the stock or the market. Okay, so I never wanted to be ahead of the anything. I never want to be ahead to particular stock or particular indices or particular market. I am a, a loyal person who obey the direction which market gives me. I'm not going to give the market a direction whether it is going up or down. It's a market call, it is not my personal call. So as you can see here, I select the 1 day chart. Sorry, 1 day time frame. Why I select the 1 day time frame? Because what happens now, if I select a short, what you can say 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, there is not that much data which helps me to understand what is exactly happening into this stock. Basically, what is exactly happening into the price action, because it is recently listed company, so there is not that much past data. So sometimes it is very difficult to find out exactly levels, what could be my logical stop loss, what could be my logical entry point, when I should book my profit, when I should exit, when I should book my losses, everything. It all depends on the past data. It is not guarantee. There is no guarantee, or the what you can say, the 100% chances whatever happened in past it is going to be happen in future or like that. Okay, so aside from this gan ganit, okay, just look, it's just a simple chart which shows me a trend line in a downside. Okay, for the time being, whatever the price action happening into this stock, it shows there is some downside momentum into this stock. Great. What next? The next thing is, when I am going to switch my view, if after looking this setup my view is in a downside, so but obvious I'm going to switch my view into the upside. But when, what is that signal which helps me to switch my view, and not just to switch my view, to convince me that if I switch my view, that is one of the my favorable probability of trading. Okay, so I basically switch my view only and after the price start moving above this line. Exactly, I switch my view or stance only and after when the price start moving above this line. Exactly. Now the simple and short question, what could be my logical stop loss? Okay, as I previously told, I am a trader, and if you are a trader you always respect your stop loss, because there is no limit for your profit, but there should be always limit for your losses. Okay, so my logical stop loss, okay, and my entry point. Okay, So my entry point, I get my entry point. Now I need to put my logical stop loss. Okay, my logical stop loss is exactly flowing with this line. Okay, the simple thing, I switch my view when the price starts cross or start climbing above this line. So this line is my stop loss. This line is my stop loss. There could be the another logical stop loss. It implies into this line. Okay, this horizontal line. This horizontal line, that is the one of my logical stop loss, but that is not convincing stop loss. So this downslope trend line could be the my logical stop loss. Okay, so for the time being, here my view is in downside momentum. When it crosses this line, I switch my view into the upside momentum. Okay, as you say, I always follow some parameters. Okay, so here you can see there is not that much volume. Okay, so my view getting switch along that, it get confirmed only when the volume support or justify my price action. Okay, the understanding, my view but obvious switch is when it start climbing above that particular line. But when I get the high probability of conviction when the price action gets supported by a volume, because I personally feel your price action when gets supported by volume, it helps you to identify or to justify yourself whether your switch of view is it right direction or is it in wrong direction, whether you are going to take that odd for your winning bet or not. So that is the my overall view on Burger King. So we can discuss about this stock in further future also. For the time being, that is just my personal view. It is not the buy call, it is not the sell call, it is not any kind of recommendation. So please consult your financial advisor, please consult your legally hired person who helps, who guide you about your portfolio management. This is again not a recommendation, this is not a buy call, this is not a sell call. It's just pure my own personal view, what I am looking into that stock, what kind of patterns appear into that stock, and what I am trying to interpret from that stock. Maybe I am right, maybe I am wrong, let time will tell. Thanks a lot for the day. Welcome to see another further videos.